how to change PayPal username. Now to change your PayPal username, if I go to the official help section of PayPal that says how do I change my account name, you can change the name on your account on the web up to 2 characters only, that also only if it has been misspelled and only once after creating your PayPal account. So remember that. And it's not possible to change the name on your account to another person's name. If you are making a legal or major change name, then you may be required to upload supporting documentation. Now you can, if you want to go ahead and change the name, simply go to PayPal and go to settings and just tap the change name option over here, which will take you to this page to be able to directly change your name. So let me just go ahead and log in quickly, and right here you should be able to find the options to change your name, and over here you can change the name and tap the continue button up to 2 characters and only change once. But if you made a legal name change, then for that you have to contact the customer service and follow up with the security questions to be able to go ahead and then change your name on PayPal. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.